All right, so here we are making a batch cocktail, or some people call them freezer door cocktails. We're going to make an old-fashioned. I'm starting with Rowans Creek Bourbon. That's my particular favorite. Some people use just angostura bitters, but I use that plus orange bitters, and then you also need simple syrup, so I'm going to show you how to make that first also. You can also just buy it if that's easier for you. It's real simple. It's just 1 part water and 1 part sugar, so equal parts. You need right around 8 ounces, so fill this up right short of 8 ounces. Add the sugar in equal parts of it. This is going to make a little more than you need, but I'd rather have extra than run out. Microwave that for 20 seconds just to help melt the sugar down, and then mix it up real good so it is completely combined. You don't want to see sugar sitting at the bottom because that'll just sink to the bottom of your bourbon. Once it's fully combined, you're then going to add 8 ounces of that into the bourbon, but first you got to take out bourbon to make room. So pour 10 ounces of bourbon out. That for me is about 1.25 cups. You see me fill up the cup here. I take out the other quarter of the cup off camera. Put this, I threw it into a mason jar. You could use it to make more old fashions on the side, but you need to just take out 10 ounces of liquid from your bourbon bottle, which you're then going to replace with the simple syrup and the bitters. So add in your 8 ounces now of simple syrup, pour it in, it'll mix up. You're going to mix it at the end, but just pour in 8 ounces. That should bring it almost to the top. Just put it in speed view here so you can see it go faster. And then you're going to need 2 ounces of bitters. So I do 1 ounce here of orange bitters and then 1 ounce of angostura bitters. Some people just use angostura. I think orange is a nicer touch because people garnish their old fashions with orange, so it adds that little bit extra taste. I was a little short here, so I added a little bit extra of the orange bitters, and then you're going to add that extra 2 ounces into the bottle where you've already added the simple syrup, and then you've completed the process. That's how easy this is. Just pour it in here and you are completely done. You're then just going to seal up the bottle, mix it up real good, and I prefer to put it in the fridge. Since you're adding a lot of sugar in the simple syrup, if you do put it in the freezer, it could become kind of syrupy, kind of slushy. So maybe throw it in there right before you want to drink it, but if you're long-term storing it, either leave it out and put on ice or leave it in your fridge to just keep it at that cold temperature that you want. I don't recommend leaving this particular one on your freezer door. Then all you have left to do after this part is just pour it over some ice. 3 to 4 ounces is the perfect size drink for this situation, and will be, last probably 8 to 10 uses out of this bottle. So that's it, guys. Super easy. Make one. Let me know below what you guys think.